December in South Australia, the start of summer and the festive season. There's loads to do in the garden, so here's a few tips to get you started. December's party season and it's all about colour. This month is all about the festive poinsettias and their bright colourful leaves and flowers. There's a whole range in store now. They make a great Christmas gift or perfect centerpiece for your table. Indoors, they need at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight. What I like about poinsettias, they don't only come in red, they come in white and orange as well, so there's a variety of colour. Don't overwater. When the flowers are done, prune them back and you can plant them up in a bigger pot or plant them outside in a shaded area, so it will flower again next year. Bougainvilleas are a good plant to plant now and an asset to your garden. Plant stubborn cypress pines, and other plants heroes are agapanthus. If you're unsure what to do, drop into one of our local stores and find one of our garden experts. We'll be able to give you a helping hand. Don't forget your edibles at this time of year. Quick growing radishes are a beaut project for kids. Get in some spinach and celery, which is easy to grow. Plant carrots straight in the ground and put sweet corn and beans too. With the festive season fast approaching, it's no better time to pick your own fresh fruit and veg. There should be lots in your garden in December to harvest, like rocket, strawberries, leek, lettuce and your Asian greens. With Christmas around the corner, it is a perfect time to do some maintenance in the garden. Give your plants a good dosage of liquid fertiliser. It will promote root growth and make it resilient against the summer heat. Monitor water needs in the garden regularly. Water deeply to encourage stronger root growth. Look out for pots that will dry out quickly. If you haven't already, check irrigation systems and see if they're working well. Mulch anywhere that needs it to retain moisture in the soil. It's summer in South Australia, so get out in your garden and enjoy it. And of course, come in and see our local expert team. They will show you the great range of plants we have. And from all of us from Bunnings, we hope you have a Merry Christmas. Click here for more gardening advice or here to go back to the website.